All right, so here is how you're going to insert a chart using Office 365. First is to highlight your treat, the entire table. Click on Insert, then Column Chart, 2D column, and then you will be given the first chart. To edit the, what you call this, the data, select your data and then make sure that you're only selecting up to C8. So change this to C8 and it should get rid of the total. Then to edit the chart title, you right click Format and edit that chart title to M&M's versus Fruit Loops. There you go. You're done with your first chart. The next chart, do the same thing. Highlight your table, insert your column, and then 2D clustered. This time, because we're only trying to get the total and the treats without the colors, you're going to do this exactly the same thing. Change your range where you're only selecting A9 through D9. So A9 through, actually A9 through C9. All right, notice that it didn't capture M&M and Fruit Loops here. Do exactly the same thing, right click Format, then for your legends, they are named as Series 1 and Series 2. You know that Series 1 represents your M&M, so change the series name to M&M. And then for your Series 2, change it to Fruit Loops. All right, chart title here is Total per Kind. For your third one, this is when you are going to change the color and you're going to group them by treats. So the same thing, create a chart, change the data where you only go up to C8. But then it will be the same as your first one. So you're going to switch row and column so that the legends are the colors and then your categories are the treats. To change the colors of your legends, for purple, change the fill to purple. Blue, change it to blue. Green, yellow, orange, and then red, lastly brown. All right, it automatically reflects in the category once your legends are changed. I forgot to change the chart title. Okay, so I will leave you with the fourth one to do on your own. Good luck.